What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the Flame's back, man. This time is a little different. It's more Cactus Corporation, less just Travis Scott. He's trying to put his company in front, which is dope, man. I know I'm not the only one who thinks this colorway is a little better than the most popular one. Hit a B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a full review of one of the latest Travis Scotts to drop. I think like 5 pairs came out. This release was crazy. They did like 3 raffles on the Travis Scott website. Sneakers, of course. You had your overseas brands that had raffles. It was a lot of ways to get this sneaker, man. And it was a lot to get. So today we're going to review the Saturn gold joints because these ones caught my eyes out of all of them. I'm talking the Air Max trainers. All the ones that came out, the Saturn gold was the most ones that caught my eye. So I copped this one first. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about this pair here. Because this pair here is not really the most popular one. Everyone is going for the one with the brown in it. But me owning every Travis Scott that ever dropped, even the Air Max 270 joints, you always going to have a piece of brown in the sneaker. Travis Scott always has brown in the sneaker. Always. So I wanted to go with a colorway that didn't have no brown at all. So enough talking, man. Let's get into the unboxing. Hit the music. Unboxing time. So as I told y'all in the beginning of the video, this is more Cactus Corporation, less just Travis Scott. And he's a businessman, man. He done did the McDonald's thing. You see everyone gets a meal now. He was the first with that. So the boxes are a la Kanye West Yeezy look, just all brown. I'm not saying he's copying. I'm just saying when you think of an all brown box, you think of the Yeezys. But it's an all brown box. The top of the box has Cactus Corporation there. Also the back panel has Cactus Corporation. The sizing side has the Nike logo. Sizing. Small Nike logo, big Nike logo, Cactus Jack logo there. And that's also on that side also. And a big Nike logo here with the Cactus Corporation logo there. Once you get the box open, you got Cactus Corporation, brown paper. Feels like the Saki a little bit. If you ever owned the Saki, it comes with a big, thick paper like this with the Saki words. But this one says Cactus Corporation. And when you get under that, you get your regular white tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. So here's an up close and personal 4K spin of the Cactus Jack Saturn Gold. Now off the top, you already know Travis Scott loves the reverse swoosh, and I think it's even doper on the Air Max 1 than on the Jordan 1. Only because this is not a regular swoosh. As you look closely, you got them little matte. I want to go like with like a playground matte material there, if you know what I mean. Like it's real rubble made for the outdoors. Get a close look at that. As y'all can see that there. The little dots make up the whole swoosh. I think that's dope, man. I mean, I wish it was a different color, not brown, but a different color. It would have popped more, but I love that swoosh, guys. You come up here, behind the swoosh, you get kind of a nod to the trail runner looks of the Nike with these ribbons here. And you have one here behind the swoosh. And you also have them on the shoe lace lock system. Come around the back, you got a little mesh here that kind of simulates the swoosh, but this is mesh look, more like you see on the Jordan 4. Come around the back, they go to ribbon again. You got like a flag Nike logo. This is the left shoe. Remind you guys, this is the left shoe. You got a flag triangle look with the Nike logo there. And the ribbon cuts right back in from around the right to the inside of the shoe. The material around the toes, I want to say nubuck suede, which it is, but with that lemon look, it feels like way soft for the touch, man. It feels like soft leather. If you guys remember the ACG pocket knife, I think that's what the sneaker called. This sneaker gives all kind of nods to that pocket knife ACG sneaker, even though it's an Air Max 1. So back to the toe box. Got more of that mesh look that you see right here on the back. That's on the toe box, and that goes all the way up to the shoe laces. And these shoelaces here, you got like gray, I want to say a light brown, so it is some brown in this sneaker. And the tongue here has the Cactus Jack Records or Cactus Corporation logo with that nice aqua tail blue around it. Found some more brown. So on the inside we do have brown, but that's just in the back of the tongue where your sizing is. No shoe tree. You have regular Air Max tissue paper. On the inside you have the Cactus Jack logo and the same color as the sneaker, that lemon look. The right shoe here is the shoe that has the shoelaces on it. This looked to be like a gray. This color is crazy here, but to me, my eyes, it looks like a gray. In the comment section below, let me know what you would call this color, but I think it's gray. But anyway, I would just pop these off, and I would keep the laces that they come laced in, because, you know, it gives the sneaker more design. Plus, the laces match with the ribbon look. So I would keep these laces in here. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about that. But going back to the tongue, the shoelaces are inside the sneaker. They go to ribbon right there to keep them inside the sneaker. Same Cactus Jack logo on the tongue. On your right shoe, it's just in the back where we had Nike Air. We now have Cactus Jack. So it's Cactus Jack on the right, Nike Air on the left. Also, what changes on the right shoe, it says Nike Air in the inside of the sole, and the other one said Cactus Jack. So that's the reverse thing that Travis Scott almost always does with his Nike collabs. Getting to the back of the sneaker, it says Cactus Corporation on the bottom. And this is made for the outdoor, man. You can see that the hiking and the grip on the sneaker. Nice little mini swoosh here. You know we love mini swooshes at Sneaker Notes. So as I said in the beginning of the video, out of the colorways, this one caught my eye the most. I will get my hands on the ones with the brown in it eventually, maybe in the next week or so, just to kind of compare them. But this Travis Scott was the one that like went out of the park for me. It went out of his normal with the brown. I mean, we still got the reverse swoosh, but it's not too much brown in here, and this is why I went with this one first. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop and how did you cop? Like I told y'all, with so many ways to cop. I mean, getting your hands on a pair is not hard. Even if you go the resale route, StockX has these sneakers right now for about $150. I know they're only $150 in retail, but it's a Travis Scott. To get a Travis Scott for $350 is like a steal. The Air Max 270s, I had to pay resale for back when they came out, and I think resale was like $285. If you look now, they're in like the $400 range. So you know my motto: if you want them, buy early, buy low, because I do see these sneakers going up to the $600-700 mark in maybe the next 6-7 months. It's not like we're going to get a restock on these. So if you want them, I say get them now, and if you're not sure about them, just hold them. I'm rocking these straight to feet. I'm looking for a nice lemon drop Saturn gold outfit look, and we're gonna put these bad boys on feet. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get ready. On the soundtrack.